I'm Dr. Amesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Societies, Group of Institutions, Hyderabad. Estimation, quantity surveying, contracts, types of contract, documents, condition of contracts. In previous videos, I explained different type of contracts like lump sum contract, unitary contract, lump sum schedule rate contract. In this video, I am going to explain commercial contracts. What is commercial meaning? Commercial meanings in CBWT area, that is a central business development area. In urban areas, generally commercial contracts. A commercial contract is an agreement containing all work that should be performed construction of commercial building or non-residential building. It is a different, not residential building. It's a commercial building. This is a typical one. If you see in Hyderabad, you will see big malls and big structures and many storied with lot of space and with large spans required. And if you see this this multiplexes and like that, you will see many commercial complexes. There you need skillful workers and different type of works, and the column size will be more and slab beams be more and ceiling, so requirement is more. The commercial contract is an agreement between all the works that is between the contractor and the owner for the commercial building. This is known as commercial contract. A skillful construction commercial contract can be protect your interest, minimize risk, and increase profitability. So this contract will minimize the risk. So all risks minimized by this contractor and increases profitability. This is commercial contract. This a skillful construction commercial contract can be protective our interest, minimize risk, and increase profitability. This is an agreement containing all the work that should be performed for the construction of commercial building and non-residential building. And domestic construction contracts means it's opposite to your commercial contract. That is residential building. Residential building is different from commercial building. Here you need doors, windows, and you have 3.3 meter site like that. One G+1, G+2, or multi-story building for domestic building. It is an agreement containing all work that should be performed for the construction of the commercial or residential building existing or occurring inside a particular country, not foreign or international. That should be within country, a domestic so and so place. Suppose you are Hyderabad, you want to construct in Kannur, so you will ask the contractor, you go and there you construct my house, residential building like that. Particularly that will be inside, not foreign or international, outside of the country. This is only within the country. They will construct where you want. Suppose if you want to go Nagpur or Bangalore, if you want to construct house, if you have land, then you can make a contract agreement with contractor, and owner will see explain everything about specification, ranks, and all things. But contractor will has to go there and he will check the site. As per plan, he has to construct a residential building for the party, that is a owner. Okay, this is within the country. This means percentage rate contract. What is percentage of rate contract? When the lowest rate and competitive position among the contractors are already specified prior to opening of the tender, then the percentage of rate contract is used. See here, if you see, observe here, see here, this is a percentage of percentage rate contract. What is this meaning? What is percentage of meaning? When the lowest rate and comparative position among the contract already specified prior to the opening the tender, the percentage contract is used. See, when the lowest rate and comparative position among the contractor, okay, are already specified prior to the opening of the tender, then the percentage rate contract is used. This is percentage of the contract used. See, whenever before the tender, if you want to make an agreement, this percentage of rate open tendering system. So this percentage of is a type of contract where there is no possibility of unbalanced tender. There should not be any unbalance. So this is the cost as per our schedule. This is the ranks. These are reduced. This is schedule of rates. As per this rates, they have to construct. But contractor, somebody will go. I will do is for 5% profit. Somebody will come forward for 10%. Somebody will come forward 20%, like that. According to the work, they will go for this one, this contract, okay, percentage rate contract. So percentage of contract is a type of contract where there is no responsibility of balance tender. When the lowest rate and competitive position among the contractor are already specified prior to the tender, then this contract is useful. A cost plus fixed fee contract. What is cost and fixed fee contract? Here, if you see, yeah, again, this is many private owners, they will do this contract like cost plus fixed fee contract. In cost plus fixed fee, the owner pays the contractor an agreed amount over the above document and document of the cost of the work. This is a negotiable type of contract where actual and direct costs are paid for additional fee is given for overhead and profit is normally negotiated among the parties. See, cost plus fixed fee means the owner pay contractor agreement amount over and above documented cost of work. This is a negotiable type. Contractor will pay actual direct cost. Suppose, see, for excavation, contractor arrange labor. So for labor, actually paid, say, for example, say 20,000 rupees. See, that work is completed by the contractor by employing the labor. So, say, owner will give him 1,000 rupees goodwill, like that. That is cost fixed fee. If you complete this excavation, I will give you 1,000 rupees. So that is contractor duty to complete that work. Similarly, suppose for example, you do this footings. What are the requirements for footings? Yeah, cement, fine aggregates, coarse aggregates, as you know. So contractor, say suppose 100 bags are required, he will come with that bill, and owner will inquire about that rate. That rate he will pay. And for sand, suppose 20,000 rupees. Yeah, suppose they, for example, a 5 tons required and 20,000, for example. So, and for aggregates, again around 20,000. So you will add this, say, cement cost plus sand cost, say, and aggregate cost. Total cost is say 60,000. See, contractor will pay for that work for footings and for also labor. Suppose if he is paying actual cost, say 10,000, total 70,000. Among 70,000, you will pay around 7,000 or 10,000 to that contractor. This is cost plus fixed fee contract. You will fixed fee for, say, you complete 10,000 work, I will pay 1,000 rupees. Good win. That is 10% profit. So contractor will pay like that, but he has to submit bill for all the works. Suppose after that, fill in the beam for food to fill morum, and similarly for brickworks, contractor has to supply that bricks, whatever quality required by the owner, and he should bring that bricks, whatever may be lightweight brick, cement brick, or ordinary bricks, or local country bricks. See, whatever the owner will ask that provided by contractor, that cost, suppose for bricks, number of bricks, say 40,000 rupees, and for the requirement of cement and for the sand, say total overall 19,000, and the fixed fees for years give 9,000 or 10,000, like that. For every item, for cost, they will pay actual cost plus is goodwill, like in the terms of fixed fee contract. So I will do this for, say, for cement slab work. She said shuttering, and shuttering work is given to him. And if he completes shuttering with labor, everything, he will pay some amount, fixed amount, actual amount, and fixed amount. Similarly, whenever slab is casting, that labor required, aggregate required, everything will be paid by that actual amount of the cost of the material, and that fixed fee of contractor will be paid by the owner. This is the more control the owner, but the risks are transferred to the owner. Owner will handle, has to handle the risk if anything unwanted instance happen. That means anybody fall down, anybody, yeah, sick, or any happens to labor, a neighbor, anything, whatever it may be, the risk to will transfer to the owner. This is the only problem. But total control in the quality, like whatever the quality, whatever the specification he will, he can purchase, he demand that type of quantities of yeah, material, like specification, marble stone or granite stone, yeah, phenolics, wire, like sanitary items. So this is a advantage in cost plus fixed fee contract. The owner is more control in project. With this, I will end this session. Thank you all.